my goodness. Oh, I love this. Now, why did they get this in a bigger bottle? Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Amber coming to you with the frag view, coming to you with another video and review. And today we are going to get into a small Bath and Body Works haul. I just got it today, so I wanted to get with my family and just let you all know some of the things that I just recently picked up. So if you're interested, just keep watching. Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. I am so glad you all decided to come back. I had to jump on real quick and just let you all get a little peek. Get a little peek at my Bath and Body Works haul. I just did a real quick haul. And honey, again, I feel like the sales are just running together. They just recently had a buy two, get two free. I did not partake in that sale. Oh, honey, I just went all in and just was talking to y'all. I didn't even introduce myself for those who don't even know who I am, okay? My name is Amber. And on this channel, we review fragrances, body care, and sometimes we spill a little tea from here and there. If you're interested and want to be a part of this beautiful village, please consider subscribing. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below if you are interested, if you like my vibes. Come on, just subscribe, okay? We are family, aunties, cousins, brothers, sisters. We are all family around here. So if you are interested, just join the family. Okay. Okay, now rewind forward to what I was saying. I don't know what sale, right? Again, they just had like a buy two, get two free sale. They've had a couple of body care sales, like $5.95 sales. They've just, they've been having sales, mini haul sales. It's just been great, right? We've all loved it and probably have partaken in it, some of us. So please forgive me that I don't know exactly what sales I got this in. There's one item that I did not partake in a sale with, but we'll get into why. So let me show you what I got. First off, I don't know if you've seen this Autumn Drive. I smelled this in stores. I, again, think this was like a body care smell or sale. Not smell. Just work with me. I just got off work. So just bear with me, okay? But the fragrance notes is wild raspberry, warm amber, and vanilla birch. Now, this, when I smelled it in stores, I love it. I love it. I don't know if any of you all have gotten any of the fall scents or anything like that, but I love this. This to me is like a fruity fall fragrance. If you don't have it, I would highly suggest it. If you are into a berry fragrance, berry scent, you would love this. This would pair very well with any of your berry scent. Like, get it. In my opinion, okay? So, a must-have, I would say. Then I got the Golden Hour Coast. Now this, I don't know if this is going to be everybody's favorite. I'll just be honest with you, because that's what we do here. But this is Sun-Kissed Bergamot, Golden Pear, and Radiant Woods. I feel like the pear would sit nice with some of your pear fragrance, and with that woody, I feel like even if you had like a summer pear fragrance, I feel like this would bring it to fall. Like you could still have the pear scent and combine this, and then, okay, don't come for your sis. I feel like this gives me YSL Lieb vibes. Without the lavender note. So without the lavender note, I feel like this kind of gives me that fragrance. And I feel like this would pair really well with that. But again, if you have, because I smell the pear, smell the bergamot, and the woods, like literally what it says is what you'll smell. So again, if you have any pear scent that you want to, again, carry into the fall, I would say combine the pear scent with this. I love it. I don't know if this is going to be everybody's jam, but for perfume fragrance lover, I feel like this leans more towards a perfume smell. I love it. So try it out. This is, again, Golden Hour Coats. Okay, moving on. So I also got Twilight Woods. Have you all picked this up? I'm interested to smell this. This is Lush Berry, Sparkling Mandarin, Soft Mimosa, Apricot Nectar, and Cypress Woods. Let's see. Okay. I do smell the mimosa and the woodsy smell. Okay, this is a really good fall. Like, this is really good. Oh, wow. These are really good fine fragrances, okay? These are really good. I love this. Oh, wow. This is really pretty. I would definitely recommend this. Get the Twilight Woods. Get your nose on it. Blind buy. Would I blind buy this? I would blind buy this. This is a really good fragrant scent. Fine fragrant mist scent. Okay? Pick this up. I love this. And I also love the packaging. Look at this. I don't know if you all can really see it good with my light, but the packaging is really good. Okay, moving on. So next up, then I got the white coconut caramel. I had to get it. Y'all know, caramel, like coconut. I feel like this is like a cookie cake crumble. Let's see. I don't know. It's like a gourmand maybe. Let me see. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love this. Now, why did they get this in a bigger bottle? This is good. Oh, wow. Oh, this is pretty, guys. If you have to like a caramel and coconut mix. But this is really good. This will pair actually really good with a vanilla fragrance that you have. Maybe vanilla Kayali, vanilla 28 that you have. This would be a good pairing. This is good. Wow. I love this. Oh, I might have to get me a backup bottle of this. Ooh, I love this. So my coconut, my vanilla lovers, my caramel lovers, pick this up. Highly suggested. Wow. Okay, moving on. Now, I paid full price for this. And I'm going to tell you why. You know your sis love a vanilla. Hello, my name is Amber and I'm addicted to vanilla. Okay, we got that out the way. This said warm vanilla sugar. Who wasn't picking this up? Yo, sis was picking it up. Maybe you weren't picking it up, but I certainly picked it up. Honey, they got a whole whipped body butter. and it's warm vanilla sugar. I'm excited. I'm excited to put this on my body. I was so glad that it wasn't a glotion. No shade against glotion, right? I don't mind a glotion, but when I get to the fall, I'm not trying to do no glotion and glittery and glistening, and I'm trying to be on my like turtleneck sweater, like my boots. I'm trying to be on my fall bouginess, my fall fashion, not with no glitter. Okay, so I'm so glad this is not a glotion. Sorry, those that love glotions, I'm excited. I'm glad that the only thing that is glowing on here is the packaging, because it does have a little bit of little glow right here, a little glitter. I don't mind that. But your sis picked up 2. Actually, on its way to me is I have the they had the moisturizing body wash in the warm vanilla sugar. So they have the moisturizing body wash. Your sis got 3.
Damn!
Got 3. There's just like just a recent sale with the shower gels and the moisturizing body wash and all of the wash. There was like a back to school thing. Got it. Again, I got 3 of them. So I'm gonna be all set. I'm excited. I'm excited to go back to my vanillas, my heavy vanillas, my light vanillas, my cookie, my crumb. Honey, a video on vanilla. I'm trying to get my mindset to do a video on vanilla for you all. That will probably be one of the most hardest videos I would ever have to do. Okay, moving on. So the last things I got, guys, was candles, right? So I got 2 candles. The one candle I got was the Enchanted Candy Potion. Okay. It smells like candy, and we're gonna get into it because I also got the Fine Fragrant Mist. And honey, there's a combination that I want that I have to spill the tea. That's gonna be on the next video that I spill the tea. I'm gonna give y'all a combination, okay? So be prepared. But I got the candle, and it just smells like candy. Like, that's all it is. So the notes read: spell-binding sugar, bewitched berries, and whipped pixie dust. Okay? It's candy. It's sugar candy. That's what that is. Okay. And then you all were talking about it. Some reviews, I forgot who all was saying, but a lot of you all were talking about Cuddle Weather. And so I wanted to get it because you all said it's definitely a really good cinnamon. So again, this has warm gingerbread tea, cinnamon shortbread, and a cozy blanket. So cozy and cinnamon. Honey, this is a true gingerbread. Like the gingerbread, and you got your milk, and you're dipping your gingerbread or your ginger snaps in the milk, and it's, woo. Honey, this is a good gingerbread cinnamon smell. Pick this up. If you don't have this, pick it up. I might even get it back for you. Possible. We'll see. We'll see. Because that $10 off sale, I don't know. And I didn't participate again in the buy 2, get 2 free. No. But we'll see. We will see. Well, that is all, family. That is all I have in my Bath & Body Works haul. Did you all pick up anything for the fall? Did you pick up any candles? Any fine fragrance mist? Any body care from Bath & Body Works? What did you pick up for the fall? Like, I want to know. Your sis wants to know. Put it in the comments. Let's talk about it. Because I might need to go back and pick up another candle. Like, tell me what you think. Like, what are your thoughts? Because your sis might have to go back. But thank you all for tuning in. please, again, subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Hit me up in the comments. Let's chat it up. If you're new, your sis wants to meet you. I'm your sis. I'm here. I got you. Well, until next time, family. Bye, village.